G'day team, and welcome back to Heiman Habitat. Now this is inside the main cabin of BOV. Haven't really changed it that much, but we have added some creature comforts. Why? Because the original Project Parenti Land Rover suite of vehicles didn't even include air conditioning or an AM/FM radio. So what we've done is put in a nice Sony multimedia station up here, phone, rear camera, connectivity to do your Bluetooth and all that swag and jazz, Clarion speakers and a CB, a GME CB, all done thanks to Audio Tech, a great little company that really know their 12 volt and their 4-wheel drive accessories. But talking about accessories, down here there's not really much storage, so we've added in some Aussie Outback Supplies dash storage pouches, but there is no dash. So I've underslung them down here just to take those odds and sods, cigarette lighters, your mobile phone, those sorts of things that you're always looking for, like your pens and paper and all those sorts of things. The original vehicle used to have infrared night driving capability, but I've stripped that out because I'm not going to do any of that anymore. So where the switch was for that, I've replaced with a Red Arc dual battery monitor, because the vehicle didn't have a dual battery. So what I've done is put a dual battery behind the passenger seat, and then whilst doing that, whilst the Alecki was underneath there, here's all sorts of USBs and 12 volt plugs, getting ready to fire our missiles. But those sorts of things. And then over here is our Heiman HX2 navigator to help us on those backtracks, to show us where we're going and what we're going to be doing. And then nice and neatly up here above the driver's head is all the lights. We've got twin beam spotties of 9-inch, we've got a 52-inch dual beam light bar, we've also got some work lights, one on either side, one for reversing, and then finally but not least a jump start button for what happens if I leave the lights on and I drain the battery. Well, then I connect both the auxiliary and the main crank's battery, and then all of a sudden I can start the engine, or for some heavy winching, because you don't want to drain that battery too much. But that's enough for in here, because this is just the boring driving bit. Let's go and have a look at the exciting camping bit. Come on, follow me. So, I'm Scotty Heiman, this is Heiman Habitat, and that is my kind of thinking.